I got a new tablet. Hey, bitches! Yeah, I'm not using my old one. It's right there. I'm not using my grandma's one because it's in here. It's fucking here. I'm not using my your grandma's tablet because it's right here. I got my new tablet. Fuck yeah! Yeah! You wanna see it? This one's even got a case for it. And so if I drop it, I don't have to worry too much. Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! It's fucking great! Also Inception, fucks. And here's some of Inception, cause yes. Okay, I know. Okay, I may sound high. But I may sound high. Okay, I somewhat sound high. I sound way less serious than I used to. Because I was able to lay back. I'm able to like lay back a bit more than I used to. And yes, I know I sound high. I know I sound high. But I'm not. Trust me on that. I am not high. I'm a 16-year-old. I am not allowed to get high. I also got a new mask. Hold on. I got it because it had a smile on its face, but it had a pretty good smile on its face, but to be fair, they fucked the smile up. They fucked up the smile on it. It's botched. It looks fucking botched to me. It's fucking botched. It looks fucking botched. Close up on the acne. Close up on my acne. It looks fucking gross. Yeah, it gets fucked. I'm able to relax a bit more. I'm less serious than I used to be. Because I'm way less angry. Also, if you've been sending me comments, I haven't been answering them because I've been watching videos on my smart TV. Despite the fact that I have this, because I got too used to using my smart TV. To be fair, and yeah, I know it's not exactly fair, and I'm sorry about that, but yeah. I don't want to overdo it. Let's just say I'm too used to it. I got way too used to it. This is even, the case comes with a strap on it. What's up? My brother got me to eat the case. I'm fucking glad. Thank you, but thank you. Yeah. I don't know. I just I just realized I'm smiling way more than I'm able to smile way more than usual. And yes, I just posted a video and I know that this shit is cringe, but fuck you. I know it's cringe, but fuck you. I know. Nope, I'm not showing this. What's on my TV because. I can't show what's on my TV because if I do, then I'm gonna have to put that in the description, and I'm not. And I am not in the mood for doing that. I'm not in the mood for doing that. I got my mask from the mall. Oh, you'll be able to see it. It said it was the adult size. So I got it because I feel like I'll be able to grow into it. As I said, I can't show you what video I'm looking at on my TV. Because if I do, I have to put in a description. And like I said, I am not in the mood for that shit. I'm pretty tired. I'll either get rid of my channel. I'll either delete my channel, or who knows what I'll do with, or probably just give it to someone. I'll probably do the first option. Probably the first option. Inception to my glass. Let me just. Motherfuckers! My crackheads! And